Inner peace does not have a one-size-fits-all definition. There's no standard process or mandatory steps to follow to find your inner peace. And this week, I thought I'd share the things that we can do to find our inner peace. Let's start with spend time with nature. They say that nature has the ability to give you the serene and tranquil feeling from within, whether it's just a quick stroll in the park or doing some outdoor activities. Personally, I do yoga and I find it very helpful, especially in my migraine. Concentrating on your breathing and emptying the mind can be the best way to find that peace of mind. Be grateful. With so many stuff going on right now, it's almost impossible not to compare yourself to someone else, especially when we spend so much time on social media. It invites us to want more and have more, but if you only look at what's in front of us, we actually have more than enough. Take responsibility for your actions. We can't control everything, but we can control ourselves for sure. And so, whatever happens as a result of our action, we need to take responsibility for it and never blame others. Accept criticisms and use it to improve yourself even more. We all have skeletons in our closet, whether we let it out or not, it's our choice. What's important is we know when to let go. Whatever mistakes we did in the past, never regret it, because that mistake leads you to whatever you are right now. Love yourself. Be your own best friend. Be gentle, be kind, and spend some time with yourself to get to know yourself more in order to find that inner peace. Finding your inner peace will result in fewer worries, anxieties, stressors, and fears, as it is linked to self actualization. I hope that I was able to share some good thoughts this week, and if this is something that you're struggling with, give the tips a try to find that peace of mind. Thanks for being here, and I would love to see you again very soon.